races to tell us now, in fact, that House Republicans will hold the
Who's
House.
going to win, Dylan?
House Republicans will hold the House majority.
It's going to be close.
You see that the Republicans are ahead in 12 of them.
Florida's going to be a big swing state.
There's just not enough races out there.
Right now,
Other
Obama's
races,
winning.
the
He's
Democrats
going to
can
get
get
29
25
votes for
seats
that.
that they need, the next seats they need. Take back.
But then
House of
Virginia's
Representatives.
another big
All
one.
right, thanks very much, Mark. John Boehner will be
Romney
the
will be
Speaker of the
perfect
House.
for Virginia.
Once again, Anderson for the House stays in Republican
Ohio.
control. We don't know what the Senate.
Yeah, and that's something we've been watching very closely down in Bash, you know.
Is that Obama or?
What is most fascinating is Mark talked about the fact that Democrats needed almost 20